Water, of course, was an important resource for the Lenape people. They needed it to drink. Of course, there was plenty of food out there like turtles, frogs, fish, and birds. And don't forget about the plant life that was all around here too. There was just so many things. There were cattail plants, arrowhead root. These things they would use almost every day to kind of flesh out some of their meals. Now, to get out in that water, of course, you needed canoes. Canoes such as these. These are called dugouts. In the movies, you see a lot of Native Americans running around, traveling in those birch bark canoes. Take a look at our birch trees in New Jersey someday. They only grow about 6 inches in diameter. The bark is not big enough to make a large canoe. Here, they made their canoes out of wood, dugouts. And the tulip tree was their tree of choice. They called it their canoe tree. It's a very large tree. But instead of chopping the tree down with a stone axe like you see here, it was much easier to burn the tree down. You'd actually wrap the tree with something wet, like a skin, and then start a fire on the bottom of the tree, and the fire would burn through it and it would fall down. Then you merely start a fire on top like we've done today, and it would slowly begin to burn a hole down into the canoe. And you could actually, just by burning it and kind of chipping away a little bit at the charcoal with an adze like this, you might actually be able to hollow out a canoe in about a week to 10 days. And it was a very good canoe. Some of these were so large that 20 to 40 people could actually fit into them like that. And they would use them out onto they would take them out onto the oceans, even the fish out there. So they were quite substantial.